go.
It's a nice refresher.
That's a proper outfit right there to go riding in.
I'm gonna get stuck in his fucking thing and rip his
Check out this guy's hairdo. Hey, turn around, show me your hair. A sick ass mullet.
America. I'm new here.
I'm new here.
Hey, I fell off somewhere.
The silencer fell off?
Yeah, somewhere.
That thing sounds like an 87 y'all.
Yeah, I know. Whatever, we'll just keep riding.
Sure you don't want to go back and get your other bike? Yeah, well, the camp's right there.
I mean, I can. I don't want to hold you guys up.
Well, you are holding us up, so figure it out.
Up, but it's all right. We've been waiting all day for you guys to get here anyway.
Yeah, no shit on.
I shaved my balls for this, dude.
Hell yeah.
Let's go back to camp and get your other bike. Retrace our steps so he can maybe find his muffler.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea.
Let's go back the way we came so that we can find his muffler.
Right there. My turn. Can you do it through the helmet?
Hell yeah, I can do it through the helmet. I'm feeling good.
That's
too.
experience right there.
It flows so good. I just enjoy watching the back of your ride.
The micro is good.
It's really cool.
I just changed the spring.
I enjoy watching your ass, man.
All right, sorry boys.
Hey, am I recording, Faye?
No.
Are you sure the red light's not blinking?
Oh, yeah.
It is blinking?
Yeah.
Alright, round 2. You had to run back. Felipe lost his silencer to his YZ. That's why it sounded so gnarly. Now he jumped on his 450, enjoying some new scenery. A couple of these guys have ridden here before, but not me. Definitely new to me. We haven't even got that 4th step yet. Pretty stoked on what I've seen.
That was totally the way we went before, huh?
I think that was the same thing.
Right, like, I didn't see it.
Damn it. That was the same area.
I know, I didn't see shit. Whatever, dude.
I'm doing my best to do more talking while I ride. I don't know if that's entertaining or not. Dude, editing my fucking voice sucks. I feel like I sound like a dipshit. Let's just say it like that. I'm kind of a dipshit. What do you guys think though? Should I just shut up? Not talk? Play some good music or something? Even though that's kind of hard to do because they fucking copyright you for everything. Or should I try and talk more? Definitely makes it harder to ride when you suck like me. And I know it's not easy to hear me over the sound of the engine. So I gotta fucking yell. Oh, I could not see that. That was a good sized key out. I was right behind his dust. Didn't notice it. Kinda hurt.
This Cocktail Hill?
Yeah, I think so. And it was fun, and as soon as we got on that little trail thing,
Got something in here. There we go.
before the wash, that's where, and when I went
Set
back,
that
like
there.
when you guys kept going, I turned around and
Zip
went
her
back
up.
to the same place, I didn't see it. I saw a quartz can though, I was like, oh shit, is that my pipe? Yeah, I was like, is that my
I
pipe?
seen the can too.
It was like half buried.
Yeah.
Come on.
So, I mean,
Probably-
it probably flew in a
I
bush
hit your back
somewhere.
tire and was like fucking
Yeah.
gone, dude.
Yeah.
Were you in the back or is there something?
In the back, I think.
Cheers, mate.
Man, the best sound ever.
And then,
Yeah, so this, well, at least nobody
yeah,
can
because
see
it was, we all turned, so it was like, no one was really behind us.
Ah.
I think it probably flew in.
Now I can get a pro circuit shorty. It sounds better anyway. Bills? Oh yeah, the bills are sick.
I got bills to pay too. That's why I don't have one. Look at that fancy beer you got there.
Oh, yeah.
Got a tall boy,
Oof.
IPA.
Mm-hmm. From the brewery last night.
Nothing like a shaken up IPA.
It's almost time for new boots over there, man. The straps are broken?
One on this side and two on this side. I gotta sit down to pee.
Looks like there's a lot of ridges out that way.
Slow down and then keep going.
Yeah, go up those ridges over there.
Yeah, go right through there and then we'll hook it back in. Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. That sounds like a good idea. that's where I'm from for sure.
Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of part 1. We're just showing up now to the stuff we really like to get into. Some single track, ridge riding style. Definitely had a blast once we get here. So stay tuned for part 2. That's where we're going to put the rest of this riding at. And probably some other stuff back at the campsite, things like that. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Hit us up with any questions. This place was rad. Again, thanks for watching.